Hey, what is up all you do-it-yourselfers? My name's Dylan Taylor, this is Dylan's DIY Workshop, and today I thought I'd bring you a quick video about how to get a torch-burned piece of wood. Now, some of you may think that this is super straightforward, and for those of you, congratulations and good for you. This is for anybody who doesn't really know how to do it or thinks they have a pretty good idea but want to make sure before they go and ruin a piece of wood and maybe light their house on fire. First things first, what you need is a torch, some type of sandpaper or wire brush, and this is optional. It's shellac or any other type of clear coat, and of course a piece of wood. Softer wood is going to work a lot better for this because it has really varying grain densities. A piece of cherry isn't going to work near as well because it got tighter grain and it's fairly the same all the way through as far as how dense it is. Whereas pine here, there's softer areas and then harder areas. The softer areas are the parts that we see dark here, and the harder areas are the parts that we see light because they react to the temperature differently. So this video should only be like 2 minutes long, and I'm sure that I've already started putting the footage over top of this speech here. First thing you want to do is sand your board down to whatever finish you want, really. It doesn't really matter. It's just you want to get it as close to the end product as possible at this point because you don't want to have to sand off the burn and then burn it again. So once you've sanded it, you're going to want to take your torch and make sure that you have some kind of fire extinguisher or some type of fire prevention device so that should your table catch on fire, it's not the end of the world. That being said, probably shouldn't do this inside, and if you do this at home, I take no responsibility for your action. Only do what you are comfortable with doing. Next step is to take the torch, burn the wood. It's a lot easier, stay a little bit further away with the torch and then burn it to as dark as you want rather than accidentally burning too dark in one spot. You just want to go over the whole area of the board. Now, I had the trouble of the torch cutting out quite a few times, and I don't know whether it was extra gas that was just sitting on the surface or it got too hot, but all I did was I just took a break, let everything cool down a bit, and then it worked fine. So once the burning is on there, all you need to do is sand it down, and once you've sanded that down, you are good to go for the clear coat. Now, I wanted to make mine a bit darker, so that's what I went ahead and did. Once I had done that, I sanded it down just a little bit and then got rid of all the dust and then got the shellac out and put the layer on. If you're going to use shellac, you want to use the instructions on whatever product you're using. So in this case, I'm going to sand it down 220 grit and then apply another coat after. But if you're using something else, it might be a different process. Or if you just want to leave the wood raw, go ahead and do that. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, maybe learned something new, and if you tackle this, maybe send me a message on Instagram, show me what it looks like. Instagram right here. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. A huge thank you to all of my Patreon supporters for allowing me to keep creating videos like this. If you want to check my Patreon out, there is a link up here, and you can learn all about that on that link. And a special, huge thank you to Randy, Robinbert, and Mike Maxwell, the top tier Patreon supporters. Thank you guys. And that's going to be it for this one, guys. If you guys are new, please subscribe. If you already subscribed, please share this video with a friend. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, give it a big old thumbs up. We'll see you guys all next time. Peace out.